You want to get enough traffic to your CPA marketing offer? Why not use this beginner friendly strategy, which I'm going to show you right here in today's video. This is going to be an amazing strategy which you can use to start making money on CPA marketing. And guys, if you're new to this channel, I basically post videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online. So you could just simply go to check in this channel, grab hold of any video, and those videos can actually be of your help to you right there. So with that being said, let's jump right ahead in today's video. So if you do head onto this platform called AliExpress, this is an online market store where you could actually go on to getting virtually anything from this platform. And you can just simply go on to focusing on a niche which you want to just simply take advantage of. As you can see right here, there are various niches right here under this category section. You can see the women fashion niche, and the women's fashion niche actually has a lot of sub niches right here which you can actually take advantage of and get products from that particular niche. You could focus on the men's fashion, you could focus on the phone and telecommunication, and other lots more niches right here. But if I want to focus on the men's fashion and I just simply go on to clicking on t-shirt right here, guys, I'll be showing a lot of t-shirts right here for men right now, and you can actually see the respective prices for each and every one of those t-shirts right there. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to search for t-shirts by niching down. Just want to come right here and search for maybe the dog men's t-shirt. So if I do go into searching for the dog men's t-shirt right now, I'll be able to see a lot of products that are actually related to that particular dog's men t-shirt. You can see these dog men t-shirts right here, which are actually cool. You could also go on to seeing the respective amount which was used in purchasing of which you can actually use in purchasing that particular product right there. And guys, why this is actually amazing right now, or the AliExpress is actually amazing, is that the prices of stuff right here are actually much more cheaper when compared to other platforms such as Etsy, where they do actually sell a particular product for about $35, $50, and a lot more other high amount of money. All the Cpagrip right here. So guys, the platform called Alibaba is actually quite better than Etsy and Cpagrip in terms of that particular aspect. But guys, once you're done with that, maybe you want to just simply go into selecting a particular product. Maybe if I do select this product right now, I'm going to click on that product to actually see more details. And guys, you can just simply head onto this platform called the docs.google.com/spreadsheet. And if you do that, you'll be brought to a blank page such as this. Just simply go into clicking on the plus icon right here, which is the blank, and you'll be brought to a page such as this. So once you actually do come right here to this page, just simply going on to filling out all these details, which are product price, description, content locker, and image. And guys, I want you to stick right ahead to the end of this video because this may be looking confusing right now, but if you do go on further, you will understand what I'm actually driving at. So once you actually do fill out all these details right here for the product, guys, you want to just simply put in a product name right now. Maybe I'm just going to head back to AliExpress and I'm just going to go into setting for this product name right here. Or I could just simply head back and leave this on men t-shirt. For the price right here, you want to just simply go back to AliExpress and actually do get the price for this particular product right here. And maybe I want to just simply copy this exact same price as it is right here in this particular section. I'm just going to copy the price, head back to this Google spreadsheet, and actually do go into pasting that right there in that particular section. For the description, you can just simply tell them what the description is all about. You can see right here this section which says content locker and image. You want to just simply get this particular product, the link to this product right here. You want to just simply go into getting that particular link and head on to CPA marketing platform. You could use any CPA marketing platform out there such as Cpagrip, the OG ads, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. If you log into your account, go onto monetization tools and click on content locker, or you may just want to use the URL file locker. And if you do click on URL file locker right now, so as you can see guys, I can just simply go into creating a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services by clicking on this box right here, and just do go on to clicking on continue. So if I do this guys, you want to just simply edit this section based on your preference. I'm just going to change the name right here. So once I change the name right now, you can see this section which says complete the survey below to continue. I can just simply go on to editing that particular section, and you want to just simply go on to put in something such as this right here, which says please support our hosting sponsors by completing one offer below. And if they do click on begin now or begin download, they will be able to see that offer right there. So we can actually go on to changing this particular call to action right here, which is begin download. You want to just simply go on to changing that to something like click here. And if I do change that to something like this which says click here, this is quite better right now. You could head on to the advanced section or the HTML right here, and you can see this section right here which is actually for direct download. You may want to just simply go on to searching for direct downloads and removing this particular section right here, or you could just simply edit it to something that you actually do prefer right now. So once I actually do that for this section, once you're done with all this right now guys, you just want to make sure you do go on to clicking on save. And if I do click on save right now guys, this particular stuff right here will be saved on this platform. But what you want to make sure you do that the link right here which you're actually going to be locking in your content locker is actually the link to this particular product right here. So you want to make sure you do get the link to this product and actually go on to lock in that link in this content locker right now. So once that is actually done, click on save and your content locker will be created almost immediately. As you can see, this is the content locker right now. I'm just going to go on to clicking on get link and copy the unique URL link to this particular content locker right here, or URL file locker. So what you want to do right now is to head onto this platform called the postimages.org, and if I do head onto this platform guys, I can actually do go on to posting an image right here which I actually do want to use. Maybe I'm just going to come right here to this section and just simply click on choose image, and if I do go on to clicking on choose image guys, you could use this platform called the postimages.org, or you could just simply head onto this platform called the ezgif.com, and you just want to scroll down to this section, click on convert web to JPG converter, and you can then just simply use a link right here. So I'm just going to head back to this AliExpress product right here. If I do go on to right clicking on the image right now, maybe I just want to right click on the image, and I'm just going to go on to maybe getting or copying the image address. But once I right click on this, I'm just going to copy image address, head back to that particular page, and I'm just going to go on to pasting that right here. If I do go on to clicking on upload right now guys, as you can see, it has actually come up with this particular image. So you want to just simply go on to editing this right here. You could just simply click on convert to JPG to actually convert that to JPG right now. So if you do convert this to JPG, you can just download the image, or just simply come right here and actually use that image for this particular section, which is the postimages.org, and do go on to selecting that particular image right now. Supposing I'm just going to be using this image right here, and if I do go on to selecting that image, as you can see right now, it has actually analyzed that image, and you can see the direct link to that image right here. So what you want to do right now is this section which says direct link, you want to just simply go on to copying that, head back to your spreadsheet right here, and you want to just simply go on to putting in that particular link right there to your spreadsheet. You can see a section which says description. You want to just simply go on to typing out the description right here. For the content locker, you want to just simply go on to creating a cool and amazing content locker. Get link for that locker, copy the link, and actually do head back to this particular spreadsheet. And if you do head back to the spreadsheet, paste in the link to that content locker right here. For the description, you may just simply put in something like t-shirts, and if I do put in something like t-shirts right here, and you want to just simply use this exact same strategy for a lot more other products right there, and you could just simply do that for many other t-shirts right there, and actually impute all these details. Once you are done, click on share, and if you do click on share, you want to just simply change this from restricted to anyone with the link right now. And if you do that guys, copy the link and actually do click on done. So once that is done, you head onto this platform called the spreadsimple.com, and on this spreadsimple.com you can actually convert any link into a website. And right now guys, you could just simply come right here and do click on dashboard. But if you don't have an account, register for an account right now. If I do log into my account, I'm just going to click on Google Spreadsheet right here. I'm just going to go on to pasting in that particular link. If I do click on continue right here guys, as you can see right now, it's actually going to go on to creating a cool landing page for me right now. So you can see right here, it actually created a cool landing page right here. It says bring your deals to life right here, or your ideas to life right now. And you can see right here, this is the image which it actually went on to using, which is that image which I used right there. You will see more details about this, and anybody that do clicks on this is actually going to take them to that particular content locker right there before they can gain access to that particular product. So this is quite amazing right now. So the more products you use, the more images and links right there will be made available right now. So once you're done, just simply come right here, click on publish. And if you do click on publish, you want to select a domain name which you want to use. Once you're done selecting that domain name, you can then just simply copy the link to this particular page or landing page and actually start promoting that. But in promoting that, guys, the best which you want to use right now is actually this platform right here called the facebook.com. And on Facebook, guys, you could just simply go into searching for dog lovers groups, and you'll be able to see a lot of people that are actually interested in dog lovers, and you can then just simply join those groups and promote such links right there. And if you're promoting that particular link, a lot of people will be interested right there, and once they do complete such offers, they will gain access to that particular t-shirt and go on to purchasing it right there. So this is quite an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of even as a beginner and start making money with CPA marketing. I hope this video has actually helped you. If yes, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.